Good morning, everyone. Mark with Damascus Enterprises here. We're here on a pretty cold morning. We just wanted to go over some of the pond items that you might want to keep an eye on this year for your pond and your water features. So as you can see here, we've got some ice on our pond. It's been pretty chilly here the past couple of nights. So we have our pond heater running right now. You can see that there's a blue LED light shining on the top right now. That's letting us know that the light has power. As that thermostat kicks on and begins to heat up, it'll turn to red, and what that does is it cycles on and off with the thermostat to help save power. So also something else you need to keep an eye on is inside your skimmer box here. You want to make sure you keep any debris and things like that. Also, you can see here where the water level is. We want to keep our water level about 3/4 of an inch below the opening here where this ice is. So as you can see, it's a little bit lower, so we'll probably have to add some water. And the reason why is as the ice or the water freezes and turns to ice, that ice is not available to flow through the pump, and it's getting locked up as a solid in the waterfall. So you always want to make sure that as the ice builds on your pond that you still have enough water to flow through the pump and over the waterfall. Also, something you need to keep an eye on is the ice on your waterfall. What happens is as that ice begins to build, it can dam the water up and cause the water to go outside of the liner. And that'll cause a leak where it just flows outside of the liner. You can lose water that way. So you can always look up on our blog posts and see some other items that you may have questions about, and always give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks.